Yo guys, what is up? What's going on? Quick video for you today, just basically showing you the Diode Dynamics Smart Turn Relay that you can get for your 2015 and up WRX or STI. As you can see, my turn signals are actually blinking at a different speed than normal. They kind of got a double blink going on where they're just strobing two flashes each time. From the front here, you can see even I've got my headlights on, my fog lights on, and it's producing a tremendous amount of light. I've got obviously the LED upgrades with the C lights and the S4 bezel switchbacks. I'm gonna go and turn my lights off, and back out front here you can see what they look like with my headlights turned off. Now if I go back into my car and I turn my turn signals stock up 1, you can see now my hazard lights are doing kind of a zigzag back and forth, left and right flashing function basically. So it's a bit different than normal. This is what the front looks like with the zigzag function turned on. And if I go back into my car and I turn the signal to the left once, coming back out, it will basically put them into like a slow-mo function of the same thing. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. If you're looking or interested in the Diode Dynamics Smart Turn Tap Turn Relay, this is basically what it does. If you have LED lights, it also prevents the hyper blinking thing from happening. And it can also give you the tap turn function if your car doesn't already have that, which most of them do, but that allows you to set it up so you can just tap it and it'll flash a few times for your turn signals. I'll have a link down below in the description for you to check it out if you're interested, and as always, thanks so much for watching.